Snake strikes. This technique involves fast, precise strikes to vital areas of the opponent's body with either open or closed hand strikes. The hands are used in a hook-like motion, imitating the strike of a snake. 2. Entwine. This move is where the Snake Kung Fu practitioner wraps their arm around the opponent's neck or arm and traps their opponent while still attacking. 3. Coil. This move is where the Snake Kung Fu practitioner circles their legs around the opponent's leg or waist, immobilizing them and preventing them from attacking. 4. Snake stance. The snake stance involves imitating the movements of a snake, with the body low to the ground and the arms and legs coiled in a defensive position. 5. Swallowing snake strike. This self-defense technique involves striking the opponent's throat with a fast and sharp motion. This technique is useful in close combat situations. 6. Snake bite. This technique is a quick biting action against opponents' exposed areas such as their arms, face and neck. 7. Soft defenses. Snake Kung Fu also includes the use of circular movements and soft defenses to evade and redirect an opponent's attack, using the opponent's aggression against them. It's worth noting that these techniques are highly specialized and should only be practiced under the guidance of a trained instructor.
Snake Kung Fu.
Snake Kung Fu is an ancient martial art that dates back thousands of years, and today it is still widely practiced around the world. While it may not be as popular as other forms of Kung Fu, there is no denying the effectiveness of this style when it comes to real-life self-defense situations. The key to Snake Kung Fu's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of speed, power, and agility. Practitioners of this art learn how to strike with lightning-fast precision and how to move like a snake, taking advantage of the smallest openings in their opponent's defenses. What's more, Snake Kung Fu incorporates a range of devastating techniques, including joint locks, throws, and pressure point strikes, meaning that a skilled practitioner can neutralize an opponent with minimal force and without inflicting any serious harm. Of course, the real application of Snake Kung Fu extends far beyond physical self-defense. The discipline, self-control, and mental fortitude required to master this art can benefit all aspects of your life, from improved focus and concentration to increased confidence and self-esteem. So whether you're looking to hone your fighting skills or simply seeking a new challenge, there's no better time to start learning the ancient art of Snake Kung Fu. With the guidance of an experienced master and a willingness to put in the hard work, you too can unlock your full potential and achieve greatness both on and off the mat. Snake Kung Fu. The circle hand strike is executed using a unique combination of agility, technique, and focus. Practitioners use their entire body to strike with force, precision, and speed, inflicting severe damage on their opponents. The circle hand strike is especially useful when attacking vital areas of the opponent's body, such as the throat, face, or organs, as it can deliver devastating blows that can quickly end the fight. Furthermore, the circular motion of the technique helps to deflect incoming attacks, block strikes, and create openings for counterattacks. Its unique combination of circular movements, precision, and force make it a powerful weapon for self-defense and combat. As with any martial art technique, consistent practice and training are necessary to master and effectively execute the circle hand strike.